Hi, it's Kerry here. Lots of interesting farm animals, including cows, chickens, roosters. Give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. My favourite horses. A peacock. There's the blue heeler in the background. Sam, my border collie. There is a fun ending on today's video. See what the animals get up to. The Mustang mare. Mustangs are descendants of Spanish or Iberian horses that came to America in the 16th century. The name comes from the Spanish word mustango, which means stray horse. They are an actual breed, not just a wild horse. These horses bred with other types of horses, including quarter horses and draft horses, to create the breed we know today. The early settlers liked these horses because they had good endurance and could run fast. Notice the strong muscular legs. Can you tell me how many fluffy yellow chickens in today's video? The Mustang stallion. Wild Mustangs live in large herds on the grasslands. The herd consists of one stallion, about 8 females and their young. The herd is led by a female horse or mare and a stallion that is over 6 years of age. In dangerous situations, the head mare will lead her herd to safety and the stallion will stay and fight. Herds spend most of their time grazing on grasses and brush, though it is not unusual to see them playing or snuggling together for a nap. The Mustang is known for its intelligence and independent spirit, but can be very obedient as well if trained and tamed by patient and experienced handlers. The Mustang foal. The foals are born well before winter, so they have time to grow before the cold months of the year. Mustangs are a medium-sized breed of horse. They have a wide variety of colours. Most common is the bay, which is a reddish-brown, or sorrel, which is a chestnut colour. As well as a variety of colours, they can also have patches, spots and stripes. In the wild, Mustangs can live up to 40 years. Hurt or disabled horses are protected by the herd and can live remarkably long lives when compared with other animal species that live in the wild. Mustangs have no natural predators. A 3D surprise. It's a rooster. An adult male chicken is called a rooster. Roosters are larger than hens, usually more brightly coloured, and have larger combs on the top of their heads. And here it is. Chickens can fly, but because they are heavy, they can only go about 60 metres or 200 feet. They scratch and claw at the ground looking for food. Baby chickens can eat and walk without help soon after hatching, but they still need help to keep warm. Hens lay up to 240 eggs in a year. This is a beautiful model of a black stallion rearing up. I think it is also a Mustang. Let me know in the comments below what you think it is. Horses can run shortly after birth and have bigger eyes than any other mammal living on land. The horse's eyes are on the side of the head, giving them nearly 360-degree vision at any one time. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Indian peacock has some of the brightest feathers, but the peahen is a drab mottled brown in comparison. The male needs its bright feathers to attract a mate, and the female needs to be able to blend in with the undergrowth to protect herself and eggs from predators. The male long feathers is called a train and can grow to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long. The large train is used in mating rituals and courtship displays. It can be arched into a magnificent fan like this one. Females are believed to choose their mates according to the size, colour and quality of these outrageous feather trains. Peacocks are ground feeders that eat insects, plants and small creatures. The Hereford cow. It comes from Herefordshire in southwest England. The Hereford colour is characteristic, with the body colour varying from rust brown to a deep rich red. The face, crest, dewlap, which means neck skin, underbelly, switch or tail, and legs below the hocks are usually white. They are found in the temperate climates of many countries, and they are able to adapt to different conditions easily. The Hereford bull. Hornless variants with the polled gene are known as the polled Herefords. Breeding horned and hornless together produce calves without horns. The bull is more muscular and aggressive than the cow, with thicker bones, larger feet, a very muscular neck, and a large, bony head with protective ridges over the eyes. In early times, the Hereford cattle were used as work oxen for 6 or 7 years before being fattened up for the market. Those used for ploughing developed into an enormous beast. Cattle trained to be draft animals are known as oxen. Cattle stomachs have 4 chambers which help break down what they eat. This is Sam, my border collie. They are energetic, fun dogs. He was originally bred to help herd the sheep. They are very obedient and very intelligent, and can recognize lots of commands and act in response to them. He is very fit and loves chasing round after the sheep. This is David. He helps with milking the cows. And this is Louise. She's come to try to ride the horses. I don't think she's going to have much luck with that black one. Remember to stay for the fun ending when you see what the animals get up to. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. There's a small preview at the end of what the next farm video will be about. It looks rather fun. Sam organises a cow race. And rabbits get up to a few tricks with the calves. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.